that people get money, but the biggest fear is releasing the money. People is afraid of releasing money because they don't know if they release this money, will this person deliver? It dey sweet me every day of my life. The moment I open my phone like this, I go to WhatsApp. You understand? I will just see the people where they buy things from. I will say hello. If they are active, they will just say hi. I will say I need something like this because I already know say they are selling that thing. I will just say I never see them before. I will say I need something like this. Now so they will say okay, no problem. Let us check if we have it. First of all, let us check if we have. If they have, they say yes, we have this one, we have this one, we have this one. This is the price. I will check the price and see, okay, I will buy this thing so amount of money. I will sell it so amount of money. It's good. Now, total is how much? Now so they will give me the total. I will say, okay, no problem, send me account number. They will send, I will release the money. To show you that people get money, but the biggest fear is releasing the money. People is afraid of releasing money because they don't know if they release this money, will this person deliver? Now so a poor man when no get voice go suffer finish, carry money give somebody, make the person lock that money. Oh, it dey pain me. It dey pain me so much. It dey pain me. We need to put mouth. We need to put more voice on this matter because this thing so block a lot of people's way. It block a lot of people's way. Somebody will have followers, suffer finish for social media. They talk, they try, they act, they do everything. You gather followers finish, make your followers no trust you because of say they don't hear, say somebody no deliver, or even the person don't refund the money. Now so they no go trust you. You see a lot of people, they will have like 10 million followers, 5 million followers. I will tell you sometimes people no trust them. People don't trust them. You will think that these people are making money. As of today, you will see a lot of people are living fake life just to cover up. Because it affects everybody, but nobody is ready to talk. Nobody is ready to say something. Nobody. As of today, I have wake up say, I go start to talk about this matter because this matter is a very big problem. I want the situation whereby that you go sit down in your comfort zone. You go just sit down like this, open your camera, talk say you dey sell this thing, talk say you dey sell am, make people buy from you without being afraid because they know say you go deliver. You will see that anything you open your mouth say you dey sell, people will buy. People get money, they will buy. They will buy. With this particular movement, you will see that you will be a celebrity. Any followers, any number of followers you have, you will be selling. You have 1,000 followers, you will be selling. Because people will trust you, no say, this thing you are selling, you will deliver. A lot of people today, they into hair vendor. You dey say hair. People is afraid, say, make I no send money, give this person, make he no send my hair come. Now so people just they fear. Because it's not easy making money, so far finish to make money. At the end of the day, you can't lose that money. It's so painful. It's so painful. It's so painful. It dey pain me. It dey pain me. So it means that people should not buy something again. They should not buy again upon say they get the money. As of now, social media make things easy for you to be where you are. You dey watch me, you dey see me. Now they come make them so easy to the level say upon say you dey where you dey, you can see say I'm selling something like this. But now we the human being, we come block the way, come put in trust, say nobody, make nobody trust again. Meanwhile, we don't get the opportunity for our own generation, this opportunity we get so, our parents, they don't get the opportunity. For this, our own generation, so this opportunity where we get, this social media things, is a very big opportunity. We're supposed to change people's life every day. Why should we block it? Because of say somebody send money, give somebody, make the person no deliver, the person don't refund. Why? Let us start to deliver. Let us start to deliver. Somebody give you money, help me buy this thing. Even somebody wey no know you before, wey never see you, go carry money give you, say buy something for me. Brother, buy that thing. Buy and send am. As the way the person send the money come, send the goods go like that. Send the service, anything, render the service immediately. If e no go like that, tell the person, please wait. On Sunday, around 12, I will refund you. You understand? The best thing you can do for me, if I borrow you money, is to give me a date when you will pay me. And that date, the moment the date come, just pay me. But you see, somebody give you something, give you money, and you have issue with that money. You don't tell the person when you will refund. Brother, what? The pain. I dey feel the pain. I just dey feel the pain inside me. You are with somebody's money, you are not replying again. If you know the pain, if you know how painful it is, you don't go try am. If you know how painful it is, you will not try it. Deliver. My name is still Menchide Shokash. See you on my next video. One love.